Marc, please tell me about the status of the urea industry.
Yeah, you can say that urea industry is starting to boom again. Of course, the crisis also hit this industry. But now you see more new urea plants coming up and in the planning phase or even under construction. And you see, because of the population growth in the world and the change of diet in the developing countries, that the demand for urea is, like other fertilizers, is increasing continuously.
So what does this mean then for the suppliers of the CRAs?
Yeah, suppliers of these corrosion-resistant alloys are, of course, happy with this development, because new plants means also new materials for new projects for them. You see that there's quite some development in the technology or the kind of alloys they are using. In the 60s it started with 316L urea grade, and in the 80s 2522 austenitic stainless steel was developed, and now you see nice new developments with all technologies in the world.
Okay, so you talked about things starting in the 60s and now you're bringing up to date with some new technologies. Can you discuss those further?
Yeah, it's like, for example, Carbon is developing a duplex material called Saphirex, and has implemented this material already since 1999 very successfully in many urea plants. Also other licensors, urea licensors like Snaprogetti is focusing more on zirconium as a corrosion resistant alloy, and they apply the omega bonding tubing in their strippers now since last year. Toyo, the Japanese urea licensor, is developing a duplex called DP28W and has implemented this material also in several of their new plants already.
So what kind of benefits do these new materials mean for the plant operators?
Yeah, there are many benefits. First of all, investment reduction. Second, of course, reliability and maintenance will become less. And third, which is also a very important item, is the safety of urea plants will increase, because these new alloys do not need, or some of them do not need, any oxygen, which means that any explosion risk in urea plants can be avoided with these new materials.
So the urea business, is that a good sector to be in right now?
That's a very good business, yes.